Hi, this is Mrs. Gamila, and today we're going to talk about descriptive statistics. Example number 1. Find the mean, median, mode, and range of the data shown in the table. To find the mean, first, we're going to add all of the values, the sum of the value of the numbers found in the figure, and divide them by the number of values. Now, how we're going to add 80 plus 88 plus 81 plus 87 plus 92 plus 88 plus 79. And here we have 7, so we're going to divide the whole thing by 7. This will give me 85. Mean is exactly like the average. The median, we're going to arrange the numbers from least to greatest in the ascending order first, and then we're going to find the median. Now, we began by the least number, which was 79, and the greatest number here is 92. In order to find the median, it means the number exactly in the middle. Now, we have 7 terms, then we will have one number only in the middle. Doing it step by step, we're going to cross a number from the beginning and a number from the end, as I'm doing here, and this will be my median. But my median here is 87. The mode is the number that occurs most often. Here is the 88. Then my mode is 88. The range is the difference between the greatest and the least value. We're going to bring the greatest value, which is 92, and subtract from it 79, which is the least value, and this will give me 13. Example number 2, we're going to draw a box plot of the data in example 1. I got you the example 1 here. This is the 5-number summary. The 5-number summary is the least number, the greatest number, the first quartile, the median, and the third quartile. We're going to talk about each of these in details. My least number here is, I put them here in order, it's 79. And my greatest number here is 92. Now, what is my first quartile? Look at the numbers here. First, I'm going to find the median, as I did before. I will discover that this is my median. The median is called the second quartile, okay? Another name for it. Now, the first quartile, we'll look at this first part of the problem. The number exactly in the middle, which means the median of the first part, is the first quartile. But the number exactly in the middle here is 80. This is my first quartile. And here, in the last part, we have the number in the middle too is 88, and this is called the third quartile. Now we have all of the information that we need. I'm going to put it here so that we don't get confused. Here, the first quartile is 80, the median is 87, and the third quartile is 88. Now I'm going to draw a number line, and I'm going to divide it from the least number to the greatest number that I have here. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, so on until 92. I'm going to put my information that I just found here, which is the 5-number summary, on beginning. The least number is 79. I'm going to put a point here on 79. The greatest number is 92. The first quartile is 80. The median is 87, and the third quartile is 88. Now I'm going to begin to draw my plot. Here I'm going to join these 2 points and the last 2 points. I'm going to draw 3 vertical lines. And okay, I'm going to close these lines from the top, and from the bottom I have my box plot. Okay, then again, here I have the least number, this is number 1, and here I have the greatest number, number 2. Here I have the first quartile, number 3. Here I have the median, number 4, and here I have the third quartile, number 5. We're going to begin to solve some exercises. Find the mean, median, mode, and range of the data shown in the table. Now, if we add all of the numbers that we have here and divide it by 8, because we have 8 numbers, this will give me 160. Now, to find the median, I'm going to arrange the numbers in the ascending order from least to greatest. I see here in the figure, okay, to find my median. This is an even amount of numbers. I have here 2 numbers in the middle. Now we're going to add our 2 terms, 160 plus 160, and divide by 2. This will give me 160. Then we're going to try to find the mode. I have 3 numbers repeated. Each of them is repeated twice. So there isn't any mode here, not a specific mode. Then my range is the difference between the greatest value and the least value. It is 165 minus 157. And this will give me, find the 5 number summary of the data. We draw a box plot of the data. Now, we know the 5 number summary from last time. First, the least value, the least number, which is 157, and the greatest number, which is 165. The first quartile, I'll come and look here. I will find that our median was here in the middle. Then the first quartile is 157 plus 159 divided by 2, which will give me 158. My median, I got it before here, it is 160. And my third quartile is 161 plus 161 divided by 2, which is 161. Now I'm going to put the information on my end. I'll move in sequence 158, 159, 160 until I reach 160. Okay, then I'm going to plot my points. 157 first, and then 165 is the greatest. Then first quartile is 158, and the median is 160. And my third quartile is 161. And then I'm beginning to draw my, I'm just going to join these, and then I'll draw 3 vertical lines, the first quartile, the median, and the third quartile, and then I'm going to close them from the top and the bottom. This is my box. Exercise number 2, find the mean, median, mode, and range of the data shown in the table. The solution, we're going to find the mean first. I'm just going to add the terms that I have in front of me and divide by the values, the number of the values, which is 10. This will give me 16.4. Then step number 2, I'm going to find the median. The median, I'm going to arrange my data from least to greatest, and then I'm going to cross one from the beginning, one from the end. I will have 2 numbers in the middle. So in order to find the median of this, I'm going to add 16 plus 20 divided by 2, which will give me 36 divided by 2, which is 8. Now, to find the mode, which number is repeated the most? Here I have 214. Then my mode is 14. Then the range is the difference between the least number and the greatest. 28 minus 0, which is 28. Then find the 5 number summary of the data and draw a box plot of the data. Here is my number line. I need 5 pieces of information to draw this box plot. Number 1, the least number. My least number here is 0. Number 2, the greatest number. My greatest number here is 28. 3, first quartile. Let's look here for the first quartile. Here, my median is here in the middle. Then my first quartile, it is, and my median, I got it before, it was 18. Finally, my third quartile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have the number in the middle is 21. I'm going to divide my number line. Here I have from 0 till 28. Let's do it. Jump by 2. 0. Okay. Now we will begin to put our information. 0 first, and then 28, and then 14, 18, 21. Okay. I'm going to draw my box, then put my vertical lines, then join them. The same thing is done here. We find the median curves, put the sum of the numbers above and over 11, which is per amount. This is equal to 250. Then the median, I'm going to arrange my numbers in ascending order, and I'm going to find my median. Here, I have how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to say 11, which is an odd number, plus 1 will give me 12. I divide this 12 by 2, it will give me 6. Then my sixth term is the median. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is my median. My mode here, my mode here is 250. It's the most common number. I can see it here, here, and here, 3 times. Okay, now my range. I'm going to find the difference between the greatest number, which is 295, and the least number, 205, and this is equal to 90. Then the second part, find the 5-number summary of data, draw a box plot of the data. Here is my number line. Number 1, the least number equals 205. Number 2, the greatest number equals 295. The first quartile, let's look for it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number, 240. Number 4, the median, I have it here, 250. Median. Number 5, the third quartile, I'm going to put my information on the number line, 300. Now I'm going to put my information, 205. 205 will be something in the middle. 295 will be something here. And 240 is here. Then 250 is here. And 260 is here. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. I hope that you understood. Bye.